How to make money online with data entry jobs in 2023. Data entry jobs have emerged as a popular choice for those looking to earn an income without leaving their personal space. In this comprehensive video, we will guide you through 8 of the most promising data entry job options and companies that offer these opportunities on a global scale. The landscape of remote work has evolved dramatically in recent years, and data entry positions have played a pivotal role in this transformation. If you're a college student in need of extra income, a dedicated stay-at-home parent looking to contribute financially, or simply someone who craves the freedom of working from home, this video is tailor-made for you. Action Data Solutions. Our first stop is Action Data Solutions, an industry leader in data entry services and solutions. While their primary focus is in the United States, they extend their reach to many countries around the world. To become a part of their team, you need to register in their database. Earnings in this role typically range from $10 to $15 per hour, and payments are conveniently made through direct deposit to your bank account. Dion Data Solutions. Moving on to Dion Data Solutions. This US-based company specializes in data entry opportunities. Their application process is designed to be user-friendly and accessible. By visiting their opportunity page, you can explore the available positions and find detailed application instructions. The compensation for data entry work at Dion Data Solutions typically hovers around $10 per hour, providing a steady income stream. Similar to Action Data Solutions, they offer the convenience of direct deposit payments. Smart Crowd. Smart Crowd's approach to data entry is unique and inclusive. They utilize crowdsourcing to distribute tasks to remote workers worldwide. To embark on your data entry journey with Smart Crowd, the registration process on their website is your initial step. While basic data entry tasks may offer a starting wage of $5 to $6 per hour, the accessibility and flexibility of remote work are undeniable advantages. For those residing outside the United States, PayPal serves as the preferred mode of payment, ensuring a smooth and secure transaction process. Appen. Appen, a company known for its diverse service offerings, extends its data entry opportunities to a global audience. Their application process is straightforward, involving the completion of an application on their website. Depending on the specific project, Appen offers hourly earnings ranging from $10 to $14. This range provides a competitive edge in the world of remote work. Moreover, they offer the flexibility to choose between direct deposit and Pioneer for payment, catering to your individual preferences. Guru. Guru, a freelancer's platform, opens its doors to a global talent pool. Registering on their website and emphasizing your data entry skills is the key to unlocking opportunities. The hourly income potential on Guru falls within the range of $10 to $20, making it an attractive option for remote workers seeking substantial earnings. What sets Guru apart is its multiple payment options, including direct deposit, PayPal, Pioneer, and wire transfers. This variety ensures that you can select the payment method that aligns with your financial strategy. SigTrak. SigTrak specializes in political campaign data, focusing primarily on U.S. residents. Tasks involve tracking petition signatures and voter registrations, compensated at a rate of 3 to 9 cents per piece. Payment is efficiently processed through PayPal, offering a secure and convenient method for US-based remote workers. ClickWorker. For those eager to explore data entry roles worldwide, ClickWorker provides an accessible platform. Navigating job searches and applications can be seamlessly managed through their user-friendly website. Data entry work on Clickworker offers competitive hourly wages ranging from 10 to 15 US dollars. What adds to the convenience is the choice between direct deposit and check payments. This flexibility ensures that you can receive your earnings in the manner that suits you best. Let's take a moment to explore the many advantages of remote work. One of the key benefits is the flexibility it offers. When you work from home, you have the freedom to set your own hours and create a schedule that fits your lifestyle. No more long commutes or rigid 9-to-5 routines. Instead, you can work during your most productive hours, whether that's early in the morning or late at night. Remote work also provides a comfortable and familiar environment. You can set up your workspace just the way you like it, with all the tools and comforts you need. Whether it's your cozy home office or your favorite corner of the living room, you have control over your surroundings. Another advantage is the reduction in expenses. When you work from home, you can save on transportation costs, work attire, and dining out. This means more money in your pocket at the end of the month. Remote work also promotes a healthier work-life balance. You have more time for your family, hobbies, and personal interests. Plus, you can create a workspace that suits your preferences, whether it's a sunny spot by the window or a cozy nook in your backyard. It allows people from diverse backgrounds and locations to connect and collaborate. You'll have the chance to interact with colleagues and clients from around the world, expanding your horizons and cultural awareness. Remote work often encourages self-motivation and discipline. You'll learn to manage your time effectively and take ownership of your tasks. These skills can be invaluable for career advancement. So as you embark on your data entry journey, remember that remote work isn't just about convenience. It's a lifestyle that offers numerous benefits. It's a world of opportunities waiting for you to explore. Now that we've provided in-depth insights into these 8 data entry job options, it's time for you to take action. Visit the respective websites mentioned earlier and embark on your journey toward a fulfilling remote work experience. Keep in mind that these companies frequently update their job listings, so it's advantageous to regularly check for new openings. If you found value in this video, please consider supporting us by liking and subscribing to our channel. Your feedbacks drive our commitment to delivering informative and engaging content. As you venture into the realm of remote work, we wish you success and fulfillment in your data entry endeavors.